Welcome to today's video. I'm Gary Wiryawan and right now I'm eating lunch at a restaurant here in Yogyakarta, Indonesia. I'm having soto for lunch, which is a very traditional Indonesian dish. It is basically a chicken soup with vegetable and rice, and it was so yummy. And the good thing is that the restaurant that we're at right now is next to this kind of paddy field. It's no longer looking like a paddy field, it's now looking more like just an empty land with lots of grass and wildflowers and wild plantations. But I was really interested in getting some composition here, and as you can see right there, there's also some trees in the background. I think it will make a really nice photograph for, you know, that kind of nature inspired kind of photograph. And also there's a little bit of that hut over there that I'm trying to photograph as well. So yeah, let's try to make something interesting. Maybe it's not gonna be a really excellent photograph, but something nice enough that I can keep and just enjoy. So now I'm going to show you a little bit of some of the equipments that I bring on this little lunch trip, and I will show you what's inside my bag. So first, let's talk about the bag. This is my everyday sling bag. This is the Alpaca Go Sling Mini by Alpaca Gear, and inside there I have my main camera. This is the Panasonic GX85, and currently I have the Panasonic Lumix 20mm f1.7. This is the most used setup. I mean, the lens with the camera body is just so perfect. This is my main photography and video camera for when I am out and about doing something casual like this. So let's put it aside. And then in terms of lenses, I bring with me the Laowa 7.5mm f2 ultra wide angle lens. This is so perfect for getting wide angle sceneries and stuff like that. And then I also have with me Olympus 45mm f1.8. So as you can see in this small bag, I can fit 3 lenses, 1 camera body, no problem. And that's the beauty of Micro Four Thirds camera system. Other than that, I also bring this little guy right here, but I didn't use it that much today. This is the Insta360 Go 2 action camera for recording wide B-roll shots. And also the camera that's currently recording this video is the DJI Pocket 2, and I'm using the wireless microphone that comes with it. Alright, so I think I found a composition for today. I wanna photograph that little hut right there with some of the greeneries right there on the mid-ground, and then I wanna capture a little bit of these foreground plants and also the trees as the background. I'm using the 20mm with the GX85 currently, and I'm at aperture priority. I'm setting my aperture to f5.6 and auto ISO. And yeah, here's the composition that I want on my camera. Let's try to take it. Horizontal composition, I want a little bit more of the foreground. Let's try. Not so bad. Let me try vertical composition. I think I'm gonna get a little bit more of the trees on the background and a little bit more of the foreground as well. Let's try to take the shot. Not too bad. Not too bad. I think I kinda like it. So I'm still with the same composition with that little hut over there, and also with this whole greenery thing that we photographed before. But right now I want to try to photograph it using the Laowa 7.5mm f2. I'm currently at f4 trying to get a little bit more of depth of field to get more things in focus. And yeah, I'm in aperture priority, which means everything will be automatic except for the aperture because it's manual. And then I'm focusing into hyperfocal distance to get everything in the background and the object to be in focus. I don't really care about the foreground, so yeah, let's try to take the shot. I'm going to because this is such a wide angle lens, I get a little bit of the roof of the top of this part of the image, so I'm going to try to go a little bit lower. And I'm thankful for the tiltable screen on the GX85. It helps me to get lower angle composition. So let's try to take the shot. I think I got something right here. Let's try one more time. Yeah, I'm just playing a little bit with how I wanna have the foreground on the image. How much of the foreground, how much of the sky. I'm just kind of trying to go up and down a little bit, trying to manage the composition of the foreground and the background. And yeah, I think I got a few shots that I really like. And now I want to try to do vertical composition. It's gonna be a little bit trickier because this is such a wide angle lens. Maybe I will need to stamp or clone out this part of the image right there, which has the roof. And let's try. Yep, maybe something like that. One more time. All right, I think we got it. And that is all for today's video. I hope that this quick vlog has been interesting for you and entertaining for you. I hope that the pictures that I took are good enough for you to show in this vlog. Anyway, this is just part of my everyday photography challenge where I try to find something interesting every day and try to photograph and just to get out there and take a picture. No excuse to leave my camera behind, and hopefully this has been useful and interesting for you. So that is all for today's video. Please comment down below what are the things that you just recently photographed. Also, don't forget to support my small channel by liking this video, sharing this video, and subscribing to my channel down below. Thank you and see you on the next video.